What if a simple 60-second trick on your phone could supposedly make you hundreds of dollars every day? That's exactly the promise behind the Proverbs Profits system, also called the 60-second Wi-Fi trick. Lately, ads for this program have been spreading across Facebook, claiming that anyone can make $300 to $1,000 per day online with almost no effort. According to the promotional video hosted on earnwithgod.com, a man named Pastor Chuck Wagner reveals a secret system that was allegedly discovered with help from a former big tech engineer. The presentation suggests that this method can generate $10,000 to $20,000 per month, works on any device connected to the internet, and requires absolutely no experience or technical skills. At first glance, the pitch sounds very appealing, especially for people looking for simple ways to earn money online. However, when you look closer, several things start to raise questions. For example, the video makes bold income claims but never clearly explains what the actual business model is or how the money is generated. Another noticeable element is the heavy emotional storytelling at the beginning of the video, where viewers are told that they were meant to see this message and that it could change their lives, which is a tactic often used to build trust quickly. Some of the people shown giving testimonials also appear unusually polished and may be AI-generated or digitally created characters, something that has become increasingly common in modern online promotions. The system is also sold for a one-time fee of around $67, which leads many viewers to wonder why a strategy, supposedly capable of producing thousands of dollars per month, would be sold for such a small price. In addition, the overall structure of the sales presentation feels very similar to other online programs that have circulated for years under different names, all promising fast income through secret automated systems. Because of these patterns, it's important for viewers to approach offers like this carefully and evaluate the claims before making any decisions.